the architecture of main project. You can see customer recruiter demo and remains live after entering the question, and it will introduce Closira agent, and there are several agents you can see here, and model capturing, end of summary, and SOP-grounded answer. And after getting answer, it will complete the baseline data and store the log files, and it will connect OpenAI client also and Anthropic also. And this is the process how function will call to each other. You can see here, okay. And this is the state machine graph, simple FAQ and qualification, and then summary. If there is escalation, then human handoff, okay. Human will hand off. And you can see this is the structure of simple. There are two Anthropic and OpenAI. They can switch by itself, okay. And it will take after state handling, then prompt filter, then base LLM current, and for contact you can see a response and confidence, this type of app. This is the whole code. Now let's run the project. Let's say it is making session, and after processing, let's click answer. All products is totally treatment products, and it will continuously ask question. Now let's this whole working on CLI. You can see this products usually typically last 3 and 4 months, but it may vary depending on included. They get treated. If you have any optional, any other question, you can get it more. So feel free to ask. And you can see this is config file where I make SOP. Okay. There are several categories: business, hours, service, and cooking, FAQ, and escalation trigger, logs, log section, and SRC. There are several files, models, prompt, and stages. 5 stages. First is FAQ, second is qualifier, and third is escalation, fourth summarization, and utility file. Okay, logger. And here we conclude all the agent, and through main file we call the role function and run all the projects. Okay, now this is the file you can read, and here everything is mentioned: the structure, what was coding, how function call each other, and output value, and how trigger the workflow, and everything. And that's all, and thank you.